Hi, we just want to show you the unboxing and how easy or how hard it is to get our new car fridge working. We have bought a Brass Monkey 45 litre dual zone fridge freezer. So we'll open this up and see how it goes. So we bought it on the Black Friday sale. Bill says it was half price at RTM, which is Road Tech Marine shops, and it was $349. Got it at the shop at Mandurah. The guys there were really helpful. Even carried it out to the car for us on his shoulder. And explained a lot about it. So once we get it open, we'll explain a bit more. So it does have wheels and a handle, and that's the dual zones. Now we were told that with these Brass Monkey fridges you can swap over the zones, so if you wanted the smaller compartment as fridge, you can swap that over and have the bigger compartment as freezer, or vice versa. Also has a little cutting board inside the lid, which is quite cute and fits on top. With all the Brass Monkey fridge freezers over the size of 22 litres, you get the 240 volt plug as well as the 12 volt. So it moves nicely on wheels and has the handle as well. And there's our electrics and instructions.
One of our concerns was with the 12 volt system, would the lead be long enough to plug into the fridge as well as into the car? So that's about 1 metre, 2 metres, so it's in excess of 3 metres. So it will do the job adequately. So we'll need to test that on 240 and see how that goes, and then also to test it in the vehicle as well. So we plan to go shopping tomorrow, so we'll plug this in to the 240 and then we'll take that out, place it in the car, and then we'll go shopping, buy our cold food supplies.
It also has the capacity to plug in a solar panel down here.
We didn't go for that option, but it's always open for future. So we've got the 240, we've got the 12 volt car plug-in, and we also have, if we wanted, the solar option, plus if we want to, and we didn't go for it, we can get extra batteries so that it can run on its own power source.
Okay, let's see how we go. Here's the instructions. So you turn it on. It's plugged into 240. So this is how you can decide what you want on either side. The right is the smaller compartment, the left is the larger compartment. Don't know if you can hear that, it's just starting to make a noise. It's also Bluetooth enabled, so you can download an app and control it from your phone. So press the setting button to enter different modes. So there's maximum, eco and maximum. The factory setting is maximum. So it seems like it's starting to cool down. I've set the fridge to 3. So it seems that It first reduces the temperature in the largest section, in the fridge section, and then goes to the freezer section. So I've set the freezer to -5 and the temperature's dropping there now. So it just takes a little bit of getting used to in the settings. I've put it onto eco mode. There's eco or max, and at the moment we've got nothing in it, so we're just testing it. So we'll put it on the eco energy saving mode. Max is the fast cooling mode, and it has a 3-year warranty. So in less than 15 minutes on the eco mode on 240 volt, it's reached temperature that we set it to, and it's a bit quieter now. You can hardly hear it.
The clips here just to release the handle. It's locked in, and clip it back and back in.
So on our brass monkey fridge, there's also a bottle opener. The lid is reversible, so you can take it out of here and put it onto the other side if you wanted to, if it suits better for the car, I'd imagine. And there's a USB charging port just there. At the moment we've put it down to -15 for the freezer to see if we could get some ice, the water to freeze, and
it has.
It has. It's frozen. So it looks good. And in the car it worked well. You can see from the energy use that the battery went up when it first went in, but then it dropped down a bit. They did say it doesn't draw a lot of amps.